Hello YouTube, this is Tulisa. Here is a long-awaited tour of my daughter's apartment. I know I have been promising and promising and promising, and now I have done it, and I hope you enjoy. This is her entryway. Hi. This is her little bar cart. I got the bar cart from at home, and the glasses I got at Pier 1. And the candle holders right here, I got these from Home Goods. Picture I got at Burlington. Now I decorated her whole apartment, bought most of everything. This is her bathroom. Give y'all a tour of everything first. So I DIY'd her shower curtain. I made her shower curtain. And I got these rugs from Walmart. Her trash can, I got that from Home Goods. A little candle holder, I got that from Home Goods. The towel, I made that towel. As a brooch that I put her on there. The bath, I got that from Amazon. And the Get Naked sign, I also got that from Amazon. Her linen little closet. Now I DIY'd that. I just took a regular box and got some mirrors and some little towels and put some bling wrap around it. That's her Epsom salt bath bombs. I got this LED light around it. I got that from Home Depot. Pictures. I got these at Burlington Coat Factory. And this little tray, and that's a toothbrush holder, but I use that for flowers. That's so unsanitary to me to use that as a toothbrush holder. But I got all this at Burlington. No, I got this at Home Goods. Matter of fact, sorry. This is her bedroom. Everybody knows where this bed comes from. She getting a new bed soon. I'll give y'all an overview of it first. Away. I got these pictures at Burlington Coat Factory. The mirror was originally black. I spray painted it gray and put the LED lights around it because she loves taking selfies. She loves taking pictures of herself. These curtains I made. That chair she got at Home Goods. And I put some shelving up. I got those at Home Depot. These picture frames, I got these at Burlington Coat Factory. And that lamp, I got that at Home Goods. And the two mirror dressers, I got those at Home Furniture. The clock, I got that at Home Goods. And also that little lamp, I got that at Home Goods. Her pillows, Burlington Coat Factory. The Shaw. I got that at Burlington Coat Factory. This little shade rug, I got that at Walmart. She's a really girly girl. Loves it. And I made those flowers. She likes those flowers I make, so I made those. Yeah. Now we're entering the living room. This back shawl, I got this at Burlington Coat Factory. These pictures I also got at Burlington Coat Factory. Now, these curtains, these pink ones right here, she's done had those for over 10 years. I got them at a Hancock fabric store. They're no longer anymore, but I had got them like 10 years ago. And those curtains, I made those curtains. Her couch she got at Ashley. And here is her little kitchen. The bar stools, she got them at home. There's a BOGO sale, buy one, get one 50% off. And I got these candles. They say BB on them. I got them from Burlington, and also the candle holders. I got those at Burlington. The vase, I got that, I want to say Home Goods. I don't quite remember. But the candles, I got those at Hobby Lobby. And I got that big white one. I got that for Walmart. This light and that light, that's a candle holder. That's a light. I got both those at Home Goods. And I also got that little candle thing from Home Goods. These jars, I don't remember where I got those from. I don't remember. I go to so many stores and shop so many places. Lord Jesus, I don't remember where I got a lot of this stuff. I know the pillows, I got these at Hancock years and years and years ago. They're pillow covers. And she got those pillows from Burlington. Kitchen. She has to have her music. How you doing? And then this I got at Hobby Lobby with the salt and pepper shaker sitting on. And I got that at Hobby Lobby. Those I got at Michael's. This is decoration. She usually put candy in them, but there's no candy in them. She loves candles. I got that apple and the elephant at Burlington Coat Factory. So I'll give you a little spill of it again. She is really girly girl. And I absolutely love it. Those flowers, I had got those from Hobby Lobby. And this little stuff, I also got that at Hobby Lobby. But yes. Oh yeah, I had got that. It was originally black and I spray painted it. And it came out that glossy look of color. But I got that at Burlington Coat Factory. And I got this at Burlington Coat Factory. It's a candle. You put the little candles in there. Yeah. This is her apartment. I love to decorate. So this is my daughter's apartment. I hope you enjoyed it. Till the next one. Be blessed. Thank you.